What's up, everybody? Today we're going to do a review on a 2015 WRX. So, Kit, since you're fighting flies, this is your car. Tell us a little bit about your car.
Okay, so it's a 2015 Subaru WRX. It's got the FA20 DIT engine. Currently, I'm putting money into the suspension, but I'm 91 Pro tuned. I have Sparco wheels, Super Steel 595s, Federal 595 tires.
I like them.
My goal for the car was to be like an ultimate daily, so track, daily driving, road courses, like everything. So right now I'm not really spending any money on the exterior, so the exterior is pretty stock. I have some like cool stuff up front, like I have the JDM grill, I have the Night Runner, like
License plate holder.
Yeah, that one. Same with the little tow hook,
Like
tow strap.
I like how you cut it in there too.
Yeah, I have. I think I swallowed a bug. I popped open my headlights and painted my housings. That's pretty much it for the front.
So they don't come stock black?
No, they come on the base models. They come stock silver. So I popped them open and painted myself black.
Oh, nice.
They make some aftermarket ones, but it's a lot. It's like it cost me $50.
Yeah, yeah.
And like a weekend. I have Rally Armor mud flaps. I have Vortex generator, the factory one.
Nice.
I have this little wing that is discontinued now, and you can't even find it on the internet, so I forgot what it's called.
So it's not stock though?
No.
Oh,
but
okay.
it looks like, to me, it looks like the Civic SI wings from like the 8th gen. So that's what I always like reference it to. Have the NVIDIA N1 dual tie-tip exhaust.
Okay.
With 4th brake light. And that's pretty much it for the exterior.
Okay. All right, so performance-wise, what all you have done to this thing so far?
So under the hood.
Oh God, it's dark.
Yeah, so we're Pro tuned. We have NVIDIA catted J-pipe.
Okay.
I have PRL Motorsports, their intake.
All right.
I don't have a box for it. I'm gonna make my own box soon.
I got you.
So my friend Roman Kacha actually made me this custom charge pipe. It took us honestly like a day. We figured out all the math. I bought like the flange down there to adapt to the turbo, and we bought like the silicone couplers. And then we welded on this flange so I can run an HKS blow-off valve. So it's not the stock blow-off valve.
Oh yeah.
It sounds crazy, and then I bought the kit for it to make it recirculating, so it's still fully recirculating. We have Process West Conic cooler. Down here you can kind of see them. We have Turbo XS TGV deletes.
Okay.
And then I have the EGR delete as well. We're riding on Tane coilovers, and then I have iBox sway bars front and rear. And it's there's a lot of grip and now decent power, so it's been really fun.
Oh, nice, nice. Such a different feeling going from like the Z, which is rear wheel drive, to an all wheel drive. It's just like you feel it pulling you compared to like in the Z, it's like trying to push and slide out a little bit. Like this is just planted.
It's front wheel drive bias, so it tends to pull through turns and not push.
Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. So on Matt's WRX, he said he had a 6-speed. Do you have a 6-speed, or is this one a 5-speed?
No, this is a 6-speed. Yeah, they're all 6-speeds now. STIs, WRXs.
I guess for a while I thought that the WRXs were 5-speeds.
The older ones are.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they had the, I forgot the code for it, but people call it like the glass transmission because it just
explodes.
Exploded. This one is a little better, but not much.
A little better?
Yeah, after like people in the community, once they break like 500 horsepower, they tend to STI swap the transmission and diffs, because at that point it's pretty much like you're just gonna go through transmissions.
All right, I got you. So what are you planning on doing from here? Like, are you gonna plan on doing like a bigger turbo? You just like, I know you were talking about
scaring the shit out of me.
So normally with like coilovers and stuff, the ride's super stiff, but this is like squishy.
Yeah.
And it's not too squishy though, because I feel it. It's absolutely planted.
They did a lot of R&D with the Tang coilovers, and it rides almost stock, but I mean it doesn't like bottom out on anything. It's super plush. I have full adjustability. It's pretty good.
That's really nice, man. Thank you.